थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू, इतने टफ वेदर कंडीशन में भी आप लोग मैनेज कर पाए आने के लिए. So on behalf of Akash, I would like to welcome you. To start with, I'll introduce myself first. I am Anup Gizre, Regional Sales and Growth Head for rest of Maharashtra and Goa. With me, I have got Gaurav sir, who is our Academic Director.
Bottle pay karna.
So who is our Academic Director for Pune region. And we have got our team academic heads. So Gaurav sir will take it forward.
Hello everyone. Thanks a lot to all of you for your precious times for the NTH launch. We are here to launch the NTH examinations, which is most awaited and India's biggest scholarship examinations. We, along with my team, academic head, medical, engineering and foundation, we welcome all of you at Akash Pune Golibar Maidan. We are here to launch the biggest scholarship exam of 2024. It is a national exams in which we provide the biggest level of scholarships worth around 2,500 crore, right? And we also felicitating the students with 100% scholarships. Last year, around 12 lakh students was participated in this biggest examinations, and this year we are setting again a world record for the any kind of scholarship exam, and this year we are expecting more than 20 lakh students.
So we have got a small presentation on the screen, so it will take you through what NTH is about, its history, and what are the changes this year. And post that PPT, we will take the questions, whatever questions you have regarding that NTH.
Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Sharma. I am Senior Assistant Director heading academics in the Pune region. Along with me, Mr. Anup Gizre sir, Regional Sales and Growth Head, rest of Maharashtra and Goa, and along with me we have our academic team, academic heads in Medical Engineering and Foundation. Today we are here to launch the most awaited and the India's biggest national examinations, national scholarship examinations, NTH. This is the 15th year we are in the NTH examinations. So this is the 15th editions. Through this national examinations, we are providing worth of 250 crore plus scholarships through this NTH exam, and this exams is for the students who are right now in the class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So students can fill the registration process through the online mode as well as offline mode. These exams will be at both online and offline mode. In the offline mode, we are conducting these exams on 20th and 27th October, and at online mode, this will be starting from 19th to 27th of October. So the registration process is very simple. You can visit our website akash.ac.in/NTH, or you can visit our branches at any of the Akash branches for the registration process. So the process registration fee is 200 rupees per student. This is a very nominal fee just to facilitate the various kind of student engagement through this registration process. Apart from this, if any student is available for registration before 15th August, so there is flat 50% discount is also. So only 100 rupees fee will be there, and there is through this examinations we are providing 100% free scholarship and 100% free ship for their journey, academic journey at Akash for the next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 4 year as well. Now with me I have my Regional Sales and Growth Head Anup Gizre sir. So I request to enlighten more for the NTH examinations. We have Rishabh Pant on board with us as a brand ambassador for the Akash Institute. As you know, Rishabh Pant, after the injury, he get back and done a well done performance for the in the World Cup, recent T20 World Cup. So we just want to highlight that any of the students who are preparing can get back on the preparations with Akash at any of the time, right? Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. So I am Anup Gizre, Regional Sales and Growth Head for rest of Maharashtra and Goa. As Gaurav sir has already told about the NTE, I would like to highlight few benefits why students should appear for this particular exam. This exam we have been conducting since last 14 years. This will be our 15th edition, and most of the students, it is year by year, it is growing, and the biggest reason why students appear for this exam is they get an opportunity to get their national ranking. They know where they stand after appearing for the exam on a national level. So ultimately, after few years down the line, they have to compete with top talent in exams like JEE and NEET. And this is one of the biggest platform they can get right now and understand, and then they will have an opportunity to improve on their performance on a national level. That is the biggest benefit. Secondly, we offer 100% up to 100% scholarships as well through these exams. This is the only opportunity for any students if they are eyeing for a 100% kind of a scholarship. This is the only once in a year event for us where they can appear for this exam, prepare well, and get up to 100% scholarship. Apart from that, this year we have introduced one contest wherein top 5 students appearing for NTE exams performing well will get an opportunity to visit Kennedy Space Center at Florida, USA. It will be a fully paid trip by Akash side for these students, where they will get an opportunity to visit NASA Space Center, which is the Kennedy Space Center at Florida, and they'll be able to understand and get an environment of how the national space centers operate. That will be a big opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.